Beautiful, that one. Hello and welcome to Dutchman Seb. You join me here today at FDT Sportscars Import and Tuners here. We have a car meeting today in celebration of Ricardo Deflers, who passed away to untimely death. He was a young guy who was importing and tuning cars here in the Netherlands. This is his Supra that's standing here in the shop. And you can have a look, there's a really cool photograph of him with his car. And yeah, we have a really cool amount of cars to show you here today, and you can have a look and see what cars are here on display for the car meeting. And check out the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up and definitely subscribe for more content. Enjoy the content. Cheers. Beautiful Skyline R32. Really nice to see an old-timeless R32 here. Right-hand drive imported from JDM market. Got an old Nissan over here, I'm not sure the model. Looks like a 100 SX, something like that. Some pretty cool wheels imported here. All the rotor wheels, Oz wheels. So you can see the Honda boys here really representing today. Quite a bit of Hondas out here. We got a lovely MX-5 showing over here as well. And this is the first S2000 I've seen in the Netherlands for quite some time, apart from my own. It's got some beautiful BBS wheels here as well. Really works well with the car. Some nice big brake kits. Beautiful carbon fiber hood as well. Some nice old box shaped E36s. Really stunning paint job here on this candy apple red BMW here as well, E30. Really stunning color. It's the same color as the valve cover on my car. As you can see here, quite a lot of the JDM guys here. There's some special cars back here. You can see there's a real Nismo 370Z as well. Here's an R33 pulling in as well, Skyline. CRX. Also nice R34. Toyota MR2. Evo 8. Nissan 300 SX, you don't see these very often. 350, 370Z Nismo. Really cool car. Check out that engine bay, beautiful. Another 370 over here as well. Another tuned 350. Here's the R33 pulling in there. Honda Prelude. Hawkeye Subaru. Real nice Supra here as well. You can check out my car over here as well. Oh, this is the Nissan that was at Next Level Automotive. It was painted up by the guys there by Jan in the shop. I recognize this car. Nice Evo 9. Beautiful wheels. Real clean Skyline R34 here. Oh wait, this is the 33 I think. Sorry. Yeah, R33. There's your R34 over there. Real sweet. Nice old Prelude. Mint condition. another Del Sol. I'm not the only one here with a Del Sol at the meeting. So here's another black Del Sol with an automatic roof. And this is the VTI version with the B-Series engine, because look at his red line. 8,000 red line. Very nice.